Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save your keynote presentation as a PDF on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, select the presentation you want to save. Now double click on the presentation to go to the editing mode. Next, tap the three dot at the top right of your screen. Now click on presentation option. Click on export. Now you will see a different options for exporting. Tap PDF. After that, you can choose whether to include all slide or just specific slide. Make sure your selection and tap export. A share sheet will appear. Here you can choose where to save your PDF. You can select save to files, email it, or send through message or any other app you prefer. If you choose save to files, pick the folder you want and then tap save. Your presentation will now be saved as a PDF in that location, and that's it. You have successfully saved your keynote presentation as a PDF on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.